Well, it's our first weekend of local summer September, and, it could be better. At the same time, it could be worse as well. We are talking about areas of drizzle that will be around Friday all the way until Saturday at 4 o'clock. That's where you're seeing those areas of green and gray on your screen right now. Now, what will eventually happen is a line or two lines of rain will work through from 4 to 10 p.m. on Saturday. That will bring up to 4 wet hours here, and here comes that line moving from west to east. There's one round of coastal flooding during the Saturday midday hours, and then Sunday is going to be great. Plenty of sunshine, and we'll show you how long that sunshine continues. For your Friday temperatures, pretty similar to Thursday. Low to mid-70s from Wildwood up to LBI and Long Branch. Upper 70s to around 80 degrees as you make your way further inland. Winds out of northeast at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Your high school football forecast, we got a big one here. Don Bosco Prep taking on Red Bank Catholic in Monmouth County here. Kickoff at 7 p.m. Some are saying this is a top 10 matchup in high school football in New Jersey. Temperatures in the 60s at kickoff here. We should be mostly cloudy with a gentle east wind. Friday night numbers in the 60s everywhere. It'll be a little bit damp, and there will be some areas of drizzle probably out the shore with that east wind blowing. Then we go into your weekend forecast here. We're talking about drizzle until 4 p.m. on Saturday and then some rain showers afterwards. So if you have outdoor plans on Saturday, not the worst day. You could still have them as long as you're okay with that patchy drizzle. Notice that low temperature on Saturday night in the low 50s, and that means bright and crisp conditions will be around for Sunday here as a new air mass moves in. Highs on Sunday in the mid-70s, and that's about 5 degrees below the average for this time of the year. And over at the shore, drizzle until about 5 o'clock, and then that line of rain comes afterwards. We're talking about temperatures that will be in the low 70s for highs both days. We do have that one round of coastal flooding. This is 9 a.m. Saturday to 2 p.m. on Saturday. This kind of flooding we see several dozen times a year. Little to no property damage, and susceptible bayside roadways will flood. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. So temperatures in the 70s until Sunday, and then 80s afterwards. So if you like that fall weather, that early fall weather, you got it through Sunday. 80s and that summery weather as we go into next week here. We're still talking about our warmest 90-day stretch of the year right now, so we can definitely get those 80s. Be feeling very comfortable next week with loads of sunshine, and at night you can let that natural air conditioning come through, as conditions at night should be in the 50s to around 60 degrees. For the immediate coast, we're talking about, again, Saturday being that only blip in the forecast with rain. Otherwise, sunshine from Sunday all the way until at least next Thursday with high pressure large and in charge.